Good morning, Ms. Neville Science students, and a happy Thursday to you. I wanted to talk to you about what you can expect for the rest of this week and next week. I've made some changes with our schedule. We'll still have a regular 2 live sessions for first period and second period today at their normal times. I look forward to seeing each of you there. But I've decided to move our plants test to next week. I'm not sure what day yet, but based on some of the grades that I'm seeing, you guys still need some help with some things. So I want to make sure that you are prepared to be successful on that plant CFA when you take it. And so it's going to be next week. It won't be this Friday. You want to make sure that you're completing all of your assignments. Just a reminder that the 2 ways that you can be counted virtually present is by 1, attending live sessions, or 2, by completing your assignments for the day. How are you counted virtually present for Fridays? Well, if you got all of your assignments done, you're automatically counted virtually present. If you are working on assignments, you're going to be working on them in Schoology. And so when you work on an assignment in Schoology, it gives me a timestamp. If your timestamp says May 7th, you're going to get counted present for Friday. If you're missing any assignments, Friday is the time to make them up. If you need access to your Gizmo account, or if you need help with accessing another assignment, or if you have any questions, please reach out to me through email and I'll contact you through Teams. I hope everyone's going to have a great day today. I know I am. Bye, guys.